Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start in the US, where the Federal Reserve announced yesterday that there would be no interest rate change. One of the most eagerly anticipated decisions of recent month, the Federal Open Market Committee voted last night to keep interest rates unchanged, but the stage has been set for a hike before the new year. The decision came as a relief to US markets, where the S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow Jones indices all finished higher. In other news, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development has backtracked on its pre-referendum warning that a leave vote would have crippling effects on the UK economy. The OECD, one of the world's most influential economic organisations, revised up its UK growth forecast for this year by 0.1%. The decision follows a string of recent upward growth revisions from investment banks, and the OECD highlighted the continued post-Brexit resilience of consumers as a key reason for its more positive outlook. In indices, the UK 100 closed up 49.7 points higher yesterday. The Germany 30 witnessed a 102-point increase to close on 10,503.5, whilst the France 40 closed on 4,436.7, up 46 points on its starting position. In corporate news, McLaren has denied it is in takeover talks with Apple. Pre-tax profits at Lloyds of London climbed 22% in the first half of this year. Advertising agency Saatchi passed £100 million in sales in the first 6 months of this year, as pre-tax profits rose 19% to £11.4 million. The FTSE 250 restaurant group, Mitchells Butlers, reported a 0.8% slide in pre-tax profits. Royce has poached Daily Mail and General Trust Chief Financial Officer Stephen Daintiff to be its new finance boss. In upcoming data, the European Central Bank bulletin is released at 9 o'clock. 9:30 sees the Bank of England Financial Policy Committee statement. At 2 o'clock, the ECB President Mario Draghi gives a speech to the European Systemic Risk Board. At 3 o'clock, the Eurozone consumer confidence data for September is revealed, along with the United States existing home sales figures for August. Thank you for listening.